If you ever wanted a full width video banner on your Shopify store without using any apps, you're in the right place. Yo, what's up guys? This is Sess with WEBEXP. In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly to build a custom video banner to use in your Shopify store using Shopify Liquid and Claude.AI. So basically, this is what we're going to be building. As you can see on the screen, it's going to be a video banner that autoplays, and it has a logo, some text, and a button. You'll be able to set your own MP4 file on this section, as well as change the text and then link the button to go to a certain page or product of your liking. So browsing around the internet, we ran across this Cold Culture website, and we really like this banner they have going on. It has a logo at the top with text in the middle and then a call to action button at the very bottom. So this is pretty much what we're going to replicate in this video, except it's not going to be an image, it'll be a video. So you're going to want to go to Claude.AI. It's going to be a free AI bot to make a new chat. And the model you want to use is just the 3.7 Sonnet. This is going to be the best model for coding on Shopify. So we're going to give Claude a very in-depth description of what exactly we want to have made. Just know AI is not exactly perfect at all. It will leave important things out and you won't even know it unless you have experience coding. So this is very useful to just do some basic tasks. But once you go into heavier projects and sections for Shopify, you will need to have some experience coding, or you will run across many roadblocks and end up just wasting your time. So this is the prompt we put in. So the cool thing with Claude.AI is you can actually upload images of your references. It'll help out your AI get a better idea of what exactly you want to make. You want to go to this plus sign right here and take a screenshot. And we're going to go to the website reference right here and click on share. And it's going to take a screenshot and upload it to Claude.AI. Just let Claude.AI know that you did upload a reference and this is exactly the type of layout you're trying to aim for. We're going to upload this prompt now to Claude.AI and see what exactly it gives us. So now you can see Claude.AI is giving us code that will actually work in your Shopify section theme code. It's given us HTML, CSS, Liquid, any JavaScript needed, as well as schema. So you're going to want to go to your Shopify store, and if you don't have a Shopify store yet, there is going to be a $1 Shopify trial in the link in bio. So you can see here we just have the basic free Dawn theme. So what you're going to want to do is go to the three dots next to customize, click on these three dots and go to edit code. Once you click on edit code, you're going to see all the files that make up this Shopify theme. And what we're going to do is add a new Shopify section to this theme. So if you look to the left, you're going to see some folders with files of code inside of them. And what we're going to do is add a section today. So we're going to go to section and do add a new section. Once you click on add a new section, you're going to see that you can name the file. And you can name this file anything you want and then hit done. Now you can see our new file has been created. And there's going to be this empty schema that you can work off of. But since we already have the code, we're going to delete that. Now you're going to want to go to Claude.AI and copy this code that it gave you. Go back to your Shopify section code and simply paste the code into your Shopify section. So you can see Claude.AI actually gave us comments of what all they did. So this is going to be a full width video banner section with overlays. It has the availability to autoplay, be muted, and also loop the video. It has a customizable logo overlay, customizable text overlay, and also a customizable call to action button with link. You can leave this comment in your section if you want, or you can delete it, but since it's commented out, it won't mess with your section. If you scroll down, you're going to see there's going to be HTML code with liquid code, and this code makes up the structure of your video banner. You'll see some schema, and what schema code does is make controls inside the theme customizer in order to edit this video banner, such as the logo, text, button, and then also obviously the video. So if you look at this code, you can see just based off the text, it gave us a video URL input, also a logo overlay, an image picker for the logo, text overlay, and then a button overlay. If you keep scrolling, you're going to see it gave us a style sheet, and this is going to be our CSS properties. And what the CSS code does is control things like the width, height, the color of your section, your font size, etc. And if you keep scrolling all the way down, you're going to see that there's some JavaScript code also included. And this is going to control functions of the video, such as looping it or auto-playing it, etc. So now that you have your code in the section, all you're going to want to do is click save. You can either leave the name of the section how it is, or you can change it to make it easier for you to find it inside the theme customizer. So we're just going to add WEBEXP in front of this video banner text. So you're going to change it right here where it says presets. And also change it at the very top where it says name. And now that you made those changes, just hit save. Now you're going to want to go back to your Shopify dashboard to go into the theme customizer. You can just create a new tab so you can keep this code page tab open. And before we even go into the theme customizer, we're going to add an MP4 file to use for this video banner. What you're going to want to do is go to content and then go to files and then upload your MP4 file. Once your file is uploaded, all you're going to need to do is copy the link of this file. Now we're going to go back into the online store and go inside the theme customizer. So now we're inside the theme customizer of the Dawn theme. You can see there's already some sections added in here, and you can see there's an image banner currently. We're just going to delete this and replace this with the new video banner we just made. So we just deleted it, and we're going to click on add section. And if you scroll down, you should run across the new section you made. So you can see right here it says WEBEXP video banner. We're going to click on it and drag it to the top. Now that you clicked on it, if you look to the right, you're going to see some schema settings that Claude.AI provided for us, such as the video URL, the logo overlay, text overlay, etc. So let's just paste our video link first to see how exactly this banner is looking like. You just want to do Command V if you're on MacBook, or Control V if you're on desktop. And once you paste it in there, just make sure to click on the link again right here, and it should pop up. So you can see our video banner is working, and right now there's currently some text on there where we're gonna add our logo, our own text, as well as a button to it. So you can see here there's gonna be a logo overlay section. We're just gonna add our logo real quick. If you click select, you'll be able to upload your image. Once your logo is uploaded, you want to click done, and you can see our logo appeared on the video banner. And Claude.AI gave us some other options such as the horizontal position and even the vertical position, but we're just gonna leave it how it is, and then we'll change it if we need to later on. Now you scroll down, you're going to see the text overlay section, and this is where the text is on the heading, and you can add whatever text you like. We're just going to put something random for now. And same thing with this text overlay section. You can see that you can change the horizontal position as well as the vertical position. So you can move this down if you like, or up. We're actually going to put this around 52% and hit save. Now if you look right below this text overlay section, you're going to see the button settings section. So you can see right now it says shop now on the button text, and for some reason the button isn't showing up right here. We might have to go back into Claude.AI and tell it this issue, but let's see if anything happens if we add a link to it. Alright, cool. We just added a link to this, and we can see that the button just showed up and it says shop now. And same thing with this button section. You can mess with the horizontal position as well as the vertical position. So you can see we just made a custom video banner using Claude.AI in just a couple of minutes. AI is super useful to do some basic Shopify sections like this, but obviously there's a lot more that goes into this, such as making the section fully responsive across all devices, as well as adding some other custom features like section height, section padding, section filters, etc. If you want to see a live preview of the website on the browser, just go to these three dots on the top left of your theme customizer and click on view. Now you can see a live preview of the video banner we just created. So that's how I build custom Shopify video sections using Claude.AI and Shopify Liquid. If this was helpful and provided any value to you, please hit that like button, subscribe, and please comment any suggestions of sections you want to see us make, and we'll try to make it happen for you guys. We've also created custom Shopify themes with dozens of these custom sections, as well as other custom features that are way more complex than the section we just made. If you're ever interested in one of our themes, you can check it out on our website and the link in the description. Or if you ever want to get something 100% custom made for your website, then just reach out to us also on our website or on Instagram at webexp.dev. Thank you guys for watching, and hope to catch you on the next one.